Is it time to buy or sell Elite Pharmaceuticals stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Elite Pharmaceuticals. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 16th of August, 2024, our system has classified Elite Pharmaceuticals as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.26. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 142.37% since we initially recommended purchasing Elite Pharmaceuticals just 48 days ago. This results in an average return of 2.97% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. The stock currently rests in the lower section of a broad and robust rising trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at 451 thousandths of a dollar be breached, it would initially signify a deceleration in the rate of ascent, potentially serving as an early indication of a trend reversal. Over the next 3 months, the existing trend indicates a potential change of approximately 115.89%, with possible returns ranging from 102.70% to 222.56%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 48.66% over the upcoming year, with potential returns between negative 31.87% and positive 118.95%. This translates to a price range between 327 thousandths of a dollar and $1.05 after a year. Our latest daily update for Elite Pharmaceuticals highlights notable volatility in the company's stock price on Wednesday, which concluded trading at 480 thousandths of a dollar. The stock price of Elite Pharmaceuticals Inc. experienced a decline of 20.02% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, dropping from 600 thousandths of a dollar to 480 thousandths of a dollar. During this trading day, the stock exhibited significant fluctuations, moving 50% from a low of 447 thousandths of a dollar to a high of 670 thousandths of a dollar. Over the past 10 days, the price has increased in 7 instances and has risen by nearly 20% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price on the last day, which is generally considered a positive sign, as trading volume typically aligns with the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 2 million shares, resulting in a total of 5 million shares being exchanged, amounting to approximately $2.5 million. In the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of 760 thousandths of a dollar and a minimum price of 100 thousandths of a dollar. Currently, the stock price is 36.84%, or 280 thousandths of a dollar, below the 52-week high of 760 thousandths of a dollar, which remains the all-time high for this stock. Elite Pharmaceuticals has recently made significant strides in its product offerings, receiving marketing approval for its generic version of Adderall in Israel on the 10th of October, 2024. This immediate-release amphetamine formulation will be distributed through Dexcel Pharma, enhancing Elite's presence in the pharmaceutical market. This approval is likely to positively influence the company's stock price in the short term, as it opens new revenue streams and reflects successful regulatory engagement. Moreover, on the 7th of October, 2024, Elite announced the commercial launch of its generic acetaminophen and codeine phosphate tablets, further expanding its portfolio in the opioid space for treating mild to moderate pain. This move can also bolster investor confidence and potentially drive stock prices upward as the company leverages its growing product line. Earlier in August, Elite launched a generic version of methotrexate sodium, a critical cancer and autoimmune treatment, which aligns with their strategy of providing niche generic products. The demand for such medications could significantly enhance their revenue, especially as healthcare providers look for cost-effective treatment options. Financially, Elite reported a remarkable 109% increase in revenues for the first quarter of fiscal year 2025, reaching $18.8 million. Such figures may create bullish sentiment among investors, translating to possible stock appreciation in the long term. Analysts such as Zacks have recognized this positive momentum, initiating coverage with an outperform recommendation, signaling confidence in the company's financial and operational trajectory. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to the stock of Elite Pharmaceuticals. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given this stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Elite Pharmaceuticals. The stock of Elite Pharmaceuticals Incorporated currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this results in an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance at approximately 542 cents based on the short-term moving average. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support around 415 cents according to the long-term average. A breakout above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MASD. Nevertheless, some negative signals have also been generated, which could affect short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, and since then, the stock has experienced a decline of 31.93%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume also decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence. A buy signal has been indicated. Pivots. A sell signal was noted 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands. A buy signal was observed 6 days ago. Short-term moving average. A sell signal emerged 2 days ago. Long-term moving average. A buy signal was identified 54 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 49 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average. A buy signal was noted 54 days ago. Long-term moving average. A buy signal was identified 107 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 96 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Elite Pharmaceuticals. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 402 cents and 393 cents. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, Elite Pharmaceuticals Inc. finds support just below today's level at 402 cents. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at 393 cents and 360 cents. This stock may exhibit significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 223 cents between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 49.9%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 33.73%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Elite Pharmaceuticals, let's quickly review some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This represents a relatively standard PE ratio, typically found in companies with established histories or reliable revenue streams. Additionally, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 14th of November, 2024. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Elite Pharmaceuticals. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Elite Pharmaceuticals is at 0.485. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Elite Pharmaceuticals encounters its first support level at 0.402. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Elite Pharmaceuticals from multiple analyst sources is neutral. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 29th of March, 2024, when Hakim Nasrat A executed an insider purchase of 49,534,368 shares of common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at 0.452, reflecting a decrease of 5.84%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal based on a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Elite Pharmaceuticals stock a good buy? Elite Pharmaceuticals Inc. holds several positive indicators. However, these signals alone are insufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At this time, it would be wise to consider it a hold candidate, suggesting that investors should hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment of this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and market movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of October, we anticipate that Elite Pharmaceuticals will open at approximately 5.23 cents and begin trading around 53.2 cents. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.